Hello students, today we will write exercise 5.1 continue question number 2 do as directed. Number 1 subtract 3463 from 54,589. So first we have to arrange this number according to their place value. So your highest place value is 10,000. So we'll start from 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, then ones. So we have to subtract 3463 from 54,589. So our minuend is 54,589 and subtrahend is 3,463. From is written means we have to subtract this number from this. So first we will write 54,589 minus 3,463. So we will start from the ones place. 9 minus 3 we will get 6. Then at tens place 8 and 6. 8 minus 6 2. At hundreds place 5 minus 4 1. At thousands place 4 minus 3 1. At 10,000s place here in second subtrahend, here in 10,000s place no digit, so we will write 1 0. Then 5 minus 0 we will get 5. So our answer is 51,126. Now number 2 subtract 54,189 from 75,989. Here in both highest place value is 10,000. So we will start from the 10,000, then thousands, 100, tens, ones. Here which is minuend, that is 75,989 and subtrahend is 54,189. Okay, we will subtract from this number. So 75,989 minus 54,189. We will start from the ones place. 9 minus 9 0. At tens place 8 minus 8 0. At hundreds place 9 minus 1 8. At thousands place 5 minus 4 1. At 10,000s place 7 minus 5 2. So our answer is 21,800. Now number 3 subtract 73,868 from 99,999. Here also highest place value in both the number is 10,000. So we will start from the 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. So our minuend is 99,999 and subtrahend is 73,868 minus, we will start from the ones place. 9 minus 8 1. At tens place 9 minus 6 3. At hundreds place 9 minus 8 1. At thousands place 9 minus 3 6. At 10,000s place 9 minus 7 2. So our answer is 26,131. Now number 4 subtract 7,02,320 from 7,18,564. So here highest place value is lakh in both the number. So we will start from the lakh. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Here our minuend is 7,18,564 and subtrahend is 7,02,320. We have to subtract. We will start from the ones place. 4 minus 0 4. At tens place 6 minus 2 4. At hundreds place 5 minus 3 2. At thousands place 8 minus 2 6. At 10,000s place 1 minus 0 we will get 1. At lakh place 7 minus 7 0. So our answer is 16,244. Now question number 3, fill in the blanks. Okay, here subtraction sums are there, but here somewhere minuend is missing and somewhere subtrahend is missing and somewhere difference is missing. Okay, we have to find out. Before that we will see two formulas. So number 1, to find minuend. So what is the formula? What we will do? We will do subtrahend plus difference. Difference means whatever answer we are getting, from subtractive minuend and subtrahend, that is known as the difference, right? So to find out the minuend, what we will do, we will add subtrahend plus difference. Okay. Now number 2, to find subtrahend, so what we will do, we will minuend minus difference. We will subtract minuend and difference. Okay. So let's see. So number 1, here in first at ones place subtrahend is missing. So to find out subtrahend, what we have to do, we will minuend minus difference. Okay, here minuend is 4. What is that minuend? 4, and the difference is 1, means answer is 1. So what we have to do, we have to subtract this both to get subtrahend. So 4 minus 1 we will get 3. Again we have to check ones. Okay, if we will subtract minuend minus subtrahend, so we will get the answer. So 4 minus 3, so we are getting answer 1. So this is right. Now number 2, at tens place 3 minus 1, that is 2, already given. Now at hundreds place, here minuend is given, subtrahend is missing, and answer 5 is the difference is 5. So here also we have to find out the subtrahend. So what we will do, we will subtract minuend and difference. So 6 minus 5 we will get 1. So now we will check minuend minus subtrahend, means 6 minus 1. We are getting difference 5. 6 minus 1 5. Yes, the answer is correct here. Now at thousands place 7 minus 1. Here we have to find out the difference, means directly we will subtract 7 minus 1 we will get 6. Now at 10,000s place, here minuend is given 5 and we have to find the subtrahend, and difference is 1. So same way we will subtract minuend minus difference. So 5 minus 1 we will get 4. So now we will check the 4 is right or not. So we will subtract minuend and subtrahend. 5 minus 4. So we are getting 1 as the difference. Yes. So 4 is correct. Now here number 2. We will start from the ones place. So first we have to find out the minuend, and here subtrahend is given 3 and difference is given 5. So for finding minuend, what is the formula? That is subtrahend plus difference. Okay. So we will add both subtrahend and difference. So 3 plus 5. How much we will get 3 plus 5? That is 8. So now we will check our difference is answer is right or not. So what we are going to do, we will subtract minuend and subtrahend. So 8 minus 3, 5 we are getting. Yes. So our minuend is correct. Now next, that is tens place 9 and 1 is given. Both are given, minuend and subtrahend. So directly we will subtract 9 minus 1 we will get 8. Now here minuend is given 7 and subtrahend is missing and answer is given. So what we will do, to find out the subtrahend, we will subtract minuend and difference. So 7 minus 5 we will get 2. So now we will check our subtrahend is right or not. So for that we will subtract minuend and subtrahend. So 7 minus 2 we are getting difference 5. So this is correct. Now next, 7 minus 2, here both are there. So directly we will subtract, that is 5. Now here we have to find out the minuend, and subtrahend is 4 and difference is 4. So for finding minuend, what we have to do, we will add subtrahend and difference. So 4 plus 4 we will get 8. So now we will check our answer is right or wrong. So we will subtract minuend and subtrahend. So 8 minus 4 we are getting answer 4, difference. Yes. So 8 is correct. Now number 3. Here at ones place minuend is given, subtrahend is missing and answer is given, means difference is given 4. So we have to find out the subtrahend. So what we will do, we will subtract minuend and difference. So 5 minus 4, 1. So now we will check. So 5 minus 1 we are getting 4 as a difference. Yes. So 1 is correct. Now next, here minuend is missing and subtrahend is given and difference 6 is given. So to find minuend, what is the formula? That is minuend plus difference. So 1 plus 6 we will get 7. So now we will check. So 7 minus 1 we are getting 6. Yes. So 7 is correct. Now next, here also we have to find out the minuend, and here subtrahend is given and difference is given. So for finding minuend, what we will do, we will add these two, subtrahend and difference. So 3 plus 4, 7. So now we will check. So 7 minus 3 we are getting 4. Yes. Now next, here also we have to find out the minuend. So here subtrahend is given 0 and difference is given 9. So we will add 0 plus 9, we will get the minuend 9. So now we will check 9 minus 0, we will get the answer 9. Now next, here minuend is given 9 and here subtrahend is missing and difference 8 is given. So we have to find out the subtrahend. So what is the formula for subtrahend? That is minuend minus difference. So 9 minus 8 we will get 1. So now we will check. So 9 minus 1 we will get the difference 8. 9 minus 1, yes, 8. So our 1 is correct. Now number 4, we will start from the ones place. Here minuend is given, subtrahend is missing and difference is given 0. So what we will do to find out the subtrahend? We will subtract minuend and difference. So 2 minus 0 we will get 2. So now we will check. So while we are subtracting 2 minus 2 we are getting 0. Yes, so our answer is correct. Now next, minuend is missing, subtrahend is given 3 and difference is given 6. So we have to find out the minuend. So what is the formula? That is subtrahend plus difference. So 3 plus 6 we are getting 9. Now we will check. Now 9 minus 3 we are getting 6. 9 minus 3, yes, 6. So our answer 9 is correct. Now next, here also we have to find out the minuend. Subtrahend is given 3 and answer is given 5. So 3 plus 5, 8. So our minuend is 8. So now we will see 8 minus 3 we are getting 5. Yes. Now next, minuend is given 7 and subtrahend is missing and difference is given 4. So we have to find out the subtrahend. So what we will do? We will subtract minuend and difference. 7 minus 4, 3. So now we will check. 7 minus 3 we are getting 4. Yes. Now next, minuend is given 6, subtrahend is missing and difference is given 3. So we have to find out the subtrahend. So what is the formula? That we will subtract minuend and difference. So 6 minus 3 we are getting 3. So we will check. 6 minus 3 we are getting 3 as a difference. Yes. Now here both minuend and subtrahend both are given and we have to find out the difference. So 5 minus 4, 1. So this way we have to do, fill in the blanks. Okay. Thank you.